Remember these old type of shoebox fixtures that used to be hanging in every parking lot and parking structure around? Remember how big and bulky they were? How it took 3 people to install them in a bucket truck? Remember they were about the size of like a small vehicle. But then came along LEDs, and LEDs changed the game because they were lighter, they were easier to install, and well, they were a little more aerodynamic than these giant things. But not all area lights are the same. So if you give me a couple of minutes today, I think I can show you the difference. Okay, we've ditched the parking lot exterior, so that must mean we're about to get serious. We're taking a look at 3 different area lights. The first one here in the middle is the Natural LED Compact Area Light, or CAL. The other 2 are popular fixtures, area lights that are on the market today. The first thing I want to talk about is something you can't see. The powder coatings the Natural LED uses are very high-grade powder coatings. They're made to withstand any kind of salt spray, exposure to submersible liquids. They're made for corrosion resistance, wind resistance, and any kind of minimal impact, let's say. Good things do come in small packages. The compact area light from Natural LED is very small, very lightweight, but still extremely durable. Now the other ones seem very durable too, but just compare the size of these 2 fixtures. There's a big difference, especially when you're hauling up a ladder to install these or in a bucket truck. The other thing to notice right away is the whips that come with these. They come in all different lengths. Now, the Natural LED length is extremely long. I can actually put this fixture on the ground or on the floor of my bucket truck and do my wiring without having to, well, let's just say deal with this stubby little whip connector and hold this up while I'm trying to install it. Access to the inside of the fixture is very important. Let's hope you don't have to get inside to troubleshoot a problem, but if you do, how are these different in terms of the access to the inside of the fixture? Well, this is one fixture. The access is at the top of the fixture. So if you're installed on a pole, you've got to get up on top and you've got to get into here. Not only that, you have to unscrew 8 Phillips screw head screws to get into the fixture. This competitive fixture has a nice access door mount where you take 4 Phillips screws and it hinges. The only problem with this one is you can't open that door all the way to get in there, and if you do, the door swings open this way. So you have to get to the back of the fixture and access that door. The Natural LED fixture makes it very easy. The access panel's on the bottom of the fixture. It's on a hinge, and it is held in place by these 2 socket-headed hex screws. So you get these 2 hex screws, stainless steel by the way, because it is outside. You can access, this hinges down, gives you full access to the inside of the fixture. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look at the access panels and I'll show you how they open up. I've removed the screws so you can see how the one competitive fixture, the access panel, like I said, opens up from the back. It doesn't open all the way, so it doesn't give you full access if you have to get up inside the fixture. In contrast, the Natural LED fixture, the access panel, as I said, opens from the front. It's hinged and provides you full access to the inside of the fixture. In comparison, the Natural LED fixtures use WAGO connectors for all their wire connectors, and any loose wires are capped off. This fixture actually uses 3 drivers as opposed to a single driver. Not to mention, if you try to look at these drivers in here, there's no name, no information on it at all. Is it UL? My guess is no. Is it outdoor rated? My guess is no. You can't find any information on the drivers. that leads me to believe they're using incredibly inexpensive drivers that who knows how long they'll hold up. Whereas the natural LED uses an outdoor rated, top of the line driver, potted driver for the fixture itself, guaranteed operation in all kinds of extreme climate and temperature fluctuations. So there are a lot of benefits to a fixture beyond what you read in the spec sheet. The natural LED fixture has 6 kilovolt surge protection built right in. The others don't. They take a lot of care for installers to make sure that the slip fitter mount or the other mounts that they have are easy to use and you could fit the wires right through without a problem. So take a look beyond the spec sheet. As I always like to say, you will discover the difference.